multiple times, the discussion here is about the democratic process and the role of the Speaker. Multiple times, my name is being raised while things are being said about me.
रुकिए सुनिए
This house is the expression of the people of India. This house does not represent one party. This house represents the whole country. Every time we get up to speak, we are stopped from speaking. Multiple times. In the last time I spoke, I raised fundamental questions about the compromises that has been made by our Prime Minister. I will start to speak. You be
राहुल गांधी जी
multiple times. Sir, multiple times.
नहीं you will be allowed to speak. No, you have mentioned you.
बोलने दीजिए सर.
He is yielding. You are answering. You are.
Let me speak, sir. Multiple times I have been stopped from speaking. Just a few days ago, in a debate for the first time in Indian history, पहली बार हमारे इतिहास में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को नहीं बोलने दिया.
Okay.
नहीं सर, मैं खत्म नहीं किया. मैं खत्म नहीं किया सर.
We will speak after the debate.
आप रोक रहे मुझे. मैंने खत्म नहीं किया. मेरा नाम लिया गया है.
ओके, आप आपका विषय बोल दिया है ना. आपने अपना विषय बोल दिया है.
तो मल्टीपल टाइम मुझे रोका गया. Last time I raised the issue of the Prime Minister being compromised. I raised the issue of Mr. Naravane. I raised the issue of Epstein.
Honorable LOP.
And I raised the issue of Adani.
I have given
I was silenced.
permission that
This
after the speech of
these
Ravi Shankar
issues
Prasad ji,
are
you will be
fundamental
given
to the
the
people of India.
scope to speak.
Our Prime Minister has been
Okay.
compromised. Everybody
Okay.
knows the
Ravi Shankar
result of the
Prasad ji.
compromise of our Prime Minister.